The first China-Arab Youth Development Forum was held Thursday in Haikou, South China's Hainan province. Arab diplomatic envoys to China attending the forum expected more exchanges between Chinese and Arab youth.
It is significant for our youth are our greatest resources, and for them to establish a platform to communicate, a program that engages them, program for them to work together, not only to understand but to resolve complex challenges and inform and educate them about each other is very essential. We should take advantage of technology, we should take advantage of education, we should take advantage of the media to allow young people to understand each other, cooperate.
Chinese youth and Arab youth must be more connected, must visit each other, must exchange experiences, must be on the ground of the Arab countries and in the China. That's why this idea, this forum, has very big significance because it gives them the opportunity to meet and to discuss and to exchange thoughts and experiences. Young people from the Arab world coming here to China to witness and to see the level of development, to see the Chinese young people, how they think, how they create their own projects. It's very important. It gives them inspiration, it gives them ideas to create their own projects and to start their own business. And also the Chinese young people, if they visit more the Arab world, the Arab countries, they will discover how they think, the reality of each country, so they can have more ideas of partnership and cooperation.